Good morning, folks. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review this morning on a Jazzy 600 ES power chair with 33 hours. Good morning, folks. This is Marc again. We're doing a presentation this morning on a Jazzy 600 ES power chair that has 33 hours. It was used less than 2 months. That's probably why it looks new. Nice power chair. This chair comes with a captain seat. What that means is when you have a captain seat, you're usually going to have a handle right here, and you can drop the seat as far back as this on this one if you want to relax, or any position in between. But you can also drop the seat down, and your high point would be about 32 inches right here. 32 inches would be your high point. Now, the arms flip up, of course. The joystick is on the right. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side. It does have a safety belt. It does have a 19 by 19 seat roughly. You have a foot plate that flips up when you exit the chair. You have great suspension in front. You can see the heavy duty suspension for this fork. Suspension over here for this fork. The batteries come out from the front. There's two levers, one on each side. One here, one here. You squeeze them together, the whole front, this plastic and this whole foot plate, you grab it here. Everything will come out. You have two 55 amp batteries in here. So 55 amps, what goes in these Quantum or these Jazzy chairs like this. If you need batteries, we have batteries also. If you're not looking for a chair, you just want batteries, we also have batteries here. We can ship directly to your house, okay? So the seat on this chair right now sits at 20 inches. Top of the seat right here is about 20 inches. But this seat right here can be raised up 3 inches. We can go from 20 to 23. There's 4 poles under here that can be raised up and adjusted. So it's at 20. If you want it at 21, 22, 23, just let us know. We can raise the seat. This is a mid-wheel drive chair. What that means, when you have a mid-wheel drive, your drive wheel is going to be in the middle of these two other wheels right here. And when you have a mid-wheel drive chair, you're always going to have a caster wheel on the ground in front and a caster wheel on the ground in the back to give you that stability and that turning radius. Very nice. 14-inch wheels. They're not going to mark your floor, okay? You have a motor right here for each wheel. There's one for this wheel, there's one on the other side. This motor, folks, is connected directly to this hub right here. There's no chain, no belt. It's direct drive to the wheel, so no maintenance, less hassle. If I want to push this chair, you can see it's in gear. But if I turn the power off, because these are electric motors, so no electricity, turn the power off, you can't miss it, the big yellow handle, push it down, and you're in neutral. Okay, you can do both sides unless you want to go in a circle. Okay, when you're done, push it back up and you're back in gear, then turn your power back on. So as I said earlier, I showed you how it turns in a circle because it's a mid-wheel drive, so it turns in its own length. It's very good for inside of a house. You have the owner's manual right here, and you have some other goodies in there. These knobs, if I loosen it up, I can move the arms out, in and out. So if you need more width on your arm, and you have your suspension back here also, and you have an adjustable headrest right here. Guess it's never been adjusted. There's your adjustable headrest. So when you charge the batteries on this chair, we'll use this charger, for example. This may not be the charger, but you take this charger right here and you just plug it in front of the joystick right here, right there, and as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will recognize that the batteries are full and the charger will stop charging. So let's do a quick review on this chair. This is a Jazzy 600 ES with 33 hours. It was used less than 2 months. It has suspension, it has the 19 by 19 captain seat, it has a safety belt, the flip-up arm, the suspension, the nice foot plate that flips up, solid tires all the way around. Just a really nice power chair, very easy to handle. As you can see, it turns on itself. Look at that. So if you need a nice power chair, this would be another one to look at. So this is a Jazzy 600 ES top speed is about 5 miles an hour. Very easy to drive. And when you stop, it has built-in brakes. So if you can see, when you stop, it comes to a halt. It has electromagnetic brakes. You can use the joystick as a gas pedal. I can put this real slow right here, and that's the slowest speed it'll go right there. So you can see if you have someone who's a little skittish, this is very easy to learn at that speed. But I'm going to put it back to fast, and you can speed it from here. So if I just push this a little bit, I'm back on slow. So you can use this as a gas pedal. The little crunchy noise you hear is all the acorns on the ground. That's what that little crunchy noise is. It's going snack, crack, or pop. And this chair will go in the grass. So you got to make sure your grass is, you have a good bottom on your grass. It's not sandy or mushy, and it should go through your yard. It all depends on your grass. So if you're looking for a nice chair that was used for a couple months, beautiful red in color, and remember the seat can be elevated. I'm 6 foot tall, 180, so it's pretty easy to understand that the seat can be elevated. You got solid tires, just a nice power chair. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.